good, Gorganes? Fellas, ladies, pay attention. Today, I'm gonna show you how to do a full steakhouse dinner for two at the house. This is a great way to save money and impress your partner on your date by showing off your skill set, your bag, your repertoire, whatever you wanna call it. Lock in with me, let's get into it.
All right, let me put you on. These are Japanese sweet potatoes. I go with these over regular sweet potatoes because they have a better flavor. They have a bit of nuttiness to them. It's really good. You have to try these. Start by poking holes in the sweet potato all over with a fork. Next, cover the sweet potatoes in oil all over. Lastly, cover the sweet potatoes in salt. We're gonna bake these sweet potatoes and mash them. Put these in the oven at 425 for about an hour to an hour and a half. They'll come out caramelized and roasted. Today we're working with two beautiful bone-in ribeyes. Dry the steaks off really well so we can get a good crust, and then we're gonna season them with salt, pepper, and garlic, and that's it. For our last side, we have broccolini. Hit it with some oil, salt, and pepper. Give it a good mix. Give it a good count, and it's ready for the grill. Now to take these steaks to another level, we're gonna make a compound butter. Start with softened butter, roasted garlic, Worcestershire sauce, parsley, thyme, salt, and pepper. Wrap your compound butter up in cling wrap. Put it in the fridge until it's ready to go on the steaks. These steaks aren't that thick, so we're gonna cook them hot and fast until they get to about 130 internal. Find your hot zones and keep the steaks moving, because that fire will follow the fat. Let your steaks rest until they come up to 135. Then we're going to add our compound butter and slice into them. Perfect medium rare. Cook your broccolini hot and fast. This will only take about 3 to 4 minutes per side. These are what our sweet potatoes look like after about an hour, hour and a half. You can see the caramelization of the sugars from the sweet potato. Peel these and add it to a bowl. All right, for my sweet potatoes, I like to put a little bit of brown sugar, heavy cream, and cinnamon. Give it a good mix. And there we have it. steak dinner for two.
That's a full steak dinner for two, and you just saved yourself some money, and you probably made it better than the steakhouse would have. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know who you make this for. I'll see you on the next one.